3rd generation Honda Insights come equipped with a 12-volt absorbed glass matte battery, also known as an AGM battery. The battery is located under the center console inside the vehicle, which is connected to a terminal located under the hood. If the vehicle is discharged, you can boost the Insight with another vehicle or a 12-volt battery booster. Start by lifting the tabs on the battery terminal to reveal the battery post. This is where you connect your positive electrical current. Use the engine mounting bolt for negative electrical current. Do not connect or ground the negative cable to any other part of the vehicle. Please be advised that the Honda Insight cannot be used to boost another vehicle, and for more information, revert to your owner's manual or come visit us at WHITBY Oshawa Honda.